Hi, my name's Carla. I do French A-level. My favourite thing about the course is being able to learn a lot about another culture and being able to speak another language just in general. I think it's a really amazing thing to be able to do. So the first unit that we learn is to do with family structures and education and work, and then we move on to looking at culture. So that includes music and media, and then we look at more political issues. We look at immigration and French politics, and then we move on to the last unit, which is looking at the resistance and occupation in France during World War II. So it's a really wide variety of things that we learn, and you're doing French, but you're also kind of doing sociology when you look at family and history as well, so it's really varied. My teacher, she's really friendly. Liz is someone that you know she wants you to do well. She's always going to be there to help you, and we do extra sessions for speaking, which is really useful, and it's an environment where you can really practice speaking to improve. And yeah, she wants you to do well, so she's a really good teacher. After the course, I think I want to continue doing French alongside another subject. I'm thinking I'm going to do international relations and French. I've been looking into universities and looking at the modules, and that's something that really interests me. I think studying French is a really great opportunity. It allows you to improve your skills in terms of communication and listening, and I think you really gain a lot of confidence as well from learning a language. I can definitely tell with myself I've gained a lot of confidence, not just in French but in all my other subjects as well.